This is Don with hzscribe, and I am here with another plan with me. And this is for, sorry, I'm opening up a stamp. This is for the week February the 17th through February the 23rd. And I am using some more of my LOL paper and my Happy Punch to cut them out, and some washi from different collections. I think this was, both of these I believe came from Hobby Lobby, and I think this might be I Love Nicole AC Moore. I might have said that wrong, but anyway, that's what I'm working with. And so I am going to just lay down a couple strips. Hope you guys having a wonderful week, and of course the 17th is a holiday, and so I am planning for the week. Didn't have to go to work, yay. A little off, but that's okay. And then I am going to, I think this is what I'm going to do. I cut out a piece of the word on that page. It says glamorous in gold. So I want to kind of stick that there. And then these are two of the Rongrong girls that I fussy cut out, I stamped the fussy cut out. And painting. I am not painting. I color with my Spectrum Noir. And I think this is how I'm going to frame it. I think that's what I want to do. Yeah, okay. So the key with this design too is just to make sure that I get my letters. Well, the letters go different directions, so that's pretty cool if we mess up. I don't have I have a little bit at work. Not too much that I need to specify. I have a couple appointments. So I have supervision with one of my staff. Just general administrative stuff I gotta get done this week. So I don't think I have anything outstanding that I need to put up here for my job. But as far as personal, a few things, and I'll try to stamp that out or find a sticker to capture some of that. I'm so glad I flexed on Friday, so I was off on the 14th. Oh, yes. And it was so good. I mean, I really just rested, and I needed that. Because I'm usually on the go type of a girl. And, but I'm learning to respect myself now. Just say, you know what? Chill. And I just make myself stay in the house. So that I don't work around sometimes, and I'm learning to do that, and it feels weird, but it feels good, because I'm usually I'm a road runner. But so that's what I'm doing there. With these girls, I'm going to put down some of the washi and dress this up. Oops, I got an extra page out. Use that for my next week. So I think we use this, we'll hit the floral on the bottom. It's my first time using this roll, so hopefully it has a nice stick. And of course the girl on the side, she has a heart. And it ripped on me. Hopefully it's not cut. I hate it when it's cut. When they cut into it and then and it messed up more than one layer. So I'm hoping it doesn't go around that way, because I had some rows of washi do that, and then every row it would rip at the same spot. So I'm praying this new row doesn't do that. But it looks like it might be cut. Ugh. Can't get it to come loose. Alright, hold on one sec. Okay, I'm back. That was a little bit of a nightmare. Had to rip off several pieces of it several times. So, anyway, got that done. All right. So let's see. Trying to check to no. I go with this. I go with my tried and true black and white striped. Okay, so this one came out fine. Just using this for a little color and dimension and movement. Gonna probably have, sorry. I would do a close-up as I always do. Okay, oops, a little too short. It's gonna have to stay. I ain't taking it up. Alright, last but not least, we'll do the top. Alright, so. Show it again. Bummer. Alright, so those. So for the week, I do have a little bit of things that I want to add. I'm going to put her walking here, I think in between those two, and her walking right there. And then I'm going to pull out some stamps, and I'm just going to do a couple stamping on a few items, and then we'll be good to go. I had to fix my battery. So anyway, I am back, and I already glued down one of the stamped images from the Rongrong collection, and I am in the process of doing another. And she is just walking into her destiny. I'm going to put her between these 2 days, between Friday and Saturday, because everybody loves to walk Friday into Saturday. Just looking ahead, anticipating the things. Alrighty, so I do have a couple things I want to stamp out for the week. There's other things happening, but so the best stamps represent that. Alrighty, so where's my stamp pad? So music lessons for my grandson. Why is that word backwards? I'm just noticing the word lessons is spelled backwards. If I stamp that up there, it's going to come out backwards, but it's stamped wrong. That's weird. They made my stamp. Is it upside down? It's upside down. See? I'm tripping. I am tripping. It's not the stamp. It's moi. Alright. Didn't press it right, but that's good enough. So, I also have a dentist appointment for my grandson on my day off. But I am going to put it right there. I kind of covered some of the ink that was coming through from the other one. And then, and this is one of my Bow Bunny stamps, which I've used before. I think that's it from that one. I think I want to use This is Agenda 52 by Hobby Lobby stamp. And this says get to work. Put that the day after the holiday, because I've got to get myself to work, get back in the flow after being home for 4 days, just crafting and chilling. And I'm purposely trying not to go anywhere this weekend. Alright, get to work. Get back in the flow of things that have to be done. And I'm going to use this little heart. That's a little checklist. Things to get done. Okay. And let's see. I know I am going to be crafting. That is for sure. So let's put something up here about crafting. I'm going to use one of these planner stamps by Julie Nutting. Let's see which one I want to put. Make something pretty today. Gotta have time for that. Okay. What else should I put up here? Alright, so I think that might be it for my stamps. Let's go for some stickers. Let's go for a little bit of stickers. Still leave me some room. Let's go into my Rongrong. Put little touches of gold down here. Let's see. Not too big. Let's see. Dream big and work hard. Put a couple little, bring out some gold. Around the page just to give it a little flair. And then get this third one off. Oh, I hate it when you can't get stickers off sometimes. And I think I'm going to put it right there. Okay. Still debating if I want to put any washi down there. I think I'm not. I think I'm going to resist. I think I'm going to resist. And then maybe Nothing really in here is in red or black. And that also from the heart. And there's a little red heart. I stuck it on Cricut. See if I can get that up without making a mess. Just so I can turn it. There we go. And look at the little bear down the bottom. Where it says glam. Let's put a little sticker there. And I think what else I want to put in here this week that I have to do? Other than at meetings, I meet with some staff. They will have a lunch date this week. Oh, I'm gonna use some more of these stickers. I'm gonna use some of these Dollar Tree stickers. Let's see. A lot of black and gold in here. Not quite the same tone of quality, but I'll use one of these maybe. It's got that stripe in it. And then I think I'm going to use one more stripe.